Imagine a world where terminal cancer could be spread easily among human beings by something as simple as the day-to-day activity of being served food from the same dish. There would be no cure, no hope for those afflicted, and the only escape would be through isolation. What would we do? Would the human population be able to handle it? Thankfully, we have yet to be faced with a disaster such as this. However, there are other populations in this world that have not been so lucky. The Tasmanian devil, native to the very small island of Tasmania, just southeast of Australia, has been faced with extinction. What is threatening it, you might ask, and where did it come from? Today, you will learn what DFTD is, where it comes from, how it quickly spreads among Tasmanian devils, and what we are doing to fight against it. I am an avid animal lover, and I hope to work with rescuing and rehabilitating animals as a career after college. When I first read about this topic, I was very interested, and I decided I should learn more. Through my research using the National Geographic website, articles from Scientific American, and the Tasmania Parks and Wildlife website, I discovered that the Tasmanian devil has been increasingly threatened by a contagious cancer that scientists refer to as DFTD, or devil facial tumor disease. In recent years, scientists have made promising discoveries as to the possible origins of this disease. In World News Australia, it was reported that less than 20 years ago, one devil's Schwann cells were mutated and created this disease. What is so spectacular about this cancer is that because of the nearly identical DNA throughout the population, the animals are not able to distinguish the cancerous cells as malignant, and so their bodies won't fight them. It spreads easily as they claw and bite at each other while eating off of the same carcass. Once the cancerous cell has been inserted into an open wound, the cancer takes hold and tumors begin to grow on the devil's faces, eventually causing them to not be able to see, breathe, or eat. This has led to exponentially increasing number of deaths in recent years. Since its discovery, devil facial tumor disease has spread like wildfire, killing more than 90% of the total population since 1996. In fact, between the years 1996 and 2006, this disease brought the population from about 150,000 to somewhere between 20,000 and 50,000. That's a total population decline of about 100 to 130,000 animals over a period of 10 years. That would equal 10,000 to 13,000 animals dying per year, or about 800 to over 1,000 dying each month. Because the animals have no immunity to this disease, their only option is to be taken into captivity. There are a few sanctuaries that have been constructed to fit these needs. The newest of these projects is called Devil Ark in Barrington Tops, mainland Australia. It consists of more than 1,000 acres that will, in the future, hopefully be the home of up to 1,000 Tasmanian devils. The first 15, 5 males and 10 females, were introduced in January 11th of this year. Another, Healesville Sanctuary, also in Australia, is already the home of 66 healthy Tasmanian devils. That is one of the largest captive breeding populations worldwide. Those who have worked closely with the devils and have added their efforts to the rescue hope that if one day the wild populations die out because of this cancer, that those bred in captivity will be able to go in and take their place and reestablish themselves in the Tasmanian wilderness. Tasmanian devils have been normally thought of as ferocious animals, but their populations are steadily declining because of this illness. DFTD, devil facial tumor disease, is an awful cancer that attacks the devil's cells, causing them to work against the animal. There is no cure for this disease, and the only way to maintain a healthy population is to take the animals into captivity and breed them there. There are sanctuaries that are being built to ensure that these animals have a safe place to go. The Tasmanian devils are only one example of the many animals that have become endangered on our planet. There are many organizations worldwide that keep us informed about these problems, and they let us know what we should do about them. I leave you with the words of Samuel Butler, a British author, who once said that all animals except man know that the ultimate of life is to enjoy it. Environmentalists are doing everything they can to ensure that all animals, even Tasmanian devils, have the opportunity to experience this ultimate joy of life. Thank you.